Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Nissan Sentra side mirrors. First, always sit in your normal driving position before making any adjustments. Locate the mirror control knob, usually on the driver's door panel. This knob allows you to select which mirror to adjust and then move it up, down, left, or right. Getting this initial setup right is key for safety. For the driver's side mirror, lean your head towards the driver's window until it almost touches. Now, adjust the mirror outward until the side of your Nissan Sentra is just barely visible in the innermost edge. This specific angle helps to significantly reduce the blind spot on your left side, giving you a much clearer view of traffic. Next, for the passenger's side mirror, you'll do something similar but lean your head towards the center of the car, almost over the console. From this position, adjust the passenger mirror outward until the side of your vehicle is just barely visible. This technique is crucial for minimizing the blind spot on the right side, enhancing overall awareness. Finally, return to your normal driving position and check your adjustments. You should not see the side of your car in either mirror. If you do, make slight tweaks. Proper mirror adjustment is a simple yet powerful way to improve your visibility and significantly reduce blind spots, making your driving experience much safer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.